Number 1. The VCAN Military Mess Kit is awesome. It's like a superhero for campers and hikers. This kit has everything you need to chow down in the great outdoors. The materials feel tough like a tank but aren't too heavy to lug around. The best part, it's super easy to clean. Just a quick rinse and you're good to go. The compact design fits snugly in your backpack, saving valuable space. Plus, it looks cool. Whether you're cooking up a storm or just snacking by the fire, this mess kit has your back. Trust me, it's a game changer for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Looking for the ultimate relaxation spot in the great outdoors? Look no further than the camping hammock. It's like your own cozy cocoon amidst nature's beauty. Setting it up is a breeze. Just strap it between two sturdy trees and voila! The durable fabric keeps you snug and secure while you sway gently in the breeze. Perfect for lounging, reading, or even catching some Z's under the open sky. Plus, it's super portable and lightweight, making it a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Say goodbye to uncomfortable sleeping bags and hello to blissful nights in your own personal oasis. Number 3. The Gerber Survival Knife is awesome. It's super strong and sharp, perfect for outdoor adventures. I used it for camping and it held up great chopping wood and cutting rope. The handle is comfy and easy to grip, even when my hands were sweaty. It's also got a cool sheath to keep it safe when I'm not using it. Plus, it looks really cool with its rugged design. This knife is a lifesaver, literally. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need a reliable tool, the Gerber Survival Knife is top-notch. I totally recommend it for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Number 4. The Emergency Medical Kit is a must-have. It's packed with everything you need for accidents or emergencies. I got one for my home and car, and it's come in handy more times than I can count. From bandages to antiseptic wipes, it's got all the basics covered. Plus, there's even a handy guide to help you know what to do in different situations. The case is sturdy and easy to carry around, so I always feel prepared wherever I go. If you want peace of mind knowing you're ready for anything, the Emergency Medical Kit is a no-brainer. Highly recommend it. Number 5. The Pocket Chainsaw is amazing. It's like having a mini chainsaw in your pocket. I took it camping and was blown away by how well it worked. Cutting firewood was a breeze, and it's so compact and lightweight. The sharp teeth make quick work of branches and logs. Plus, it's easy to use, even for someone like me who isn't super handy. The handle is comfy and gives you good control. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just doing yard work, this little chainsaw is a game changer. I highly recommend it to anyone who loves the outdoors. Number 6. The SOG Safety Whistle is a lifesaver. It's small but mighty, emitting a loud and piercing sound that grabs attention in emergencies. I carry it with me whenever I'm out hiking or camping. It's lightweight and easy to attach to my gear or keychain. The bright color makes it easy to spot, even in low light. I've tested it out, and the sound carries far, giving me confidence in its effectiveness. Whether you're in the wilderness or in the city, having the SOG Safety Whistle gives me peace of mind knowing I have a reliable way to call for help. Highly recommend it. Number 7. The Emergency Survival Shelter is a lifesaver. It's like having a portable safe haven wherever you go. I took it camping and felt so secure knowing I had a shelter ready if the weather turned bad. Setting it up was a breeze, and it provided excellent protection from rain, wind, and cold. The material is durable and waterproof, keeping me dry and warm throughout the night. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry in my backpack. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in an emergency situation, This shelter is a must-have for anyone who values safety and comfort outdoors. Highly recommend it. Number 8. The 5-gallon summer shower is fantastic for outdoor adventures. It's like having a hot shower wherever you go. I used it while camping and it was such a luxury to have a warm rinse after a long day of hiking. Filling it up is easy, and it heats up quickly in the sun. The nozzle provides a steady stream of water, and the 5-gallon capacity means there's plenty for multiple showers. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to hang, making it perfect for camping trips or beach days. If you want to stay clean and refreshed outdoors, this shower is a game changer. And there you have it, folks! 8 survival gadgets to equip every man for the great outdoors. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just getting started, these tools are sure to come in handy when you're out in the wild. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and adventures. Stay safe out there!